Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss about how you can assign license to an user and what are the two ways to assign a license. First, I'm going to open or enter admin center. Under the users list, you can see I have three users, and if we check the license assigned, we can find it as inherited. And if I go to another user, let's see what it says. Direct. So what does it mean by direct or inherited? That you can understand when we go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Let's go to the license page. Let's click the license name. Now here you can see two tabs, users and groups. As you can see, this user had direct license, which is under the user. Anybody assigned license under the user tab will have a direct license. Now what is the other one? The other one is a group, license assigned to a group. What are these groups? These groups, I've created a security group mainly for license to be assigned. So anybody I add in this group will get the E3 license, and I don't have to come here and manually keep adding people or keep selecting the services I need to provide to them, because by default when you assign a license everything gets added. But sometimes you don't want to give everything. You want to be specific, such as only Outlook or such as the standard apps, PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. If you notice, I have one group called M365 E3 Exchange Online, which is only Outlook. The user does not have anything else. And the other one, the user has access to all the standard applications of E3 license. Now, once you assign license to the group, any user who comes under the group will have the license as inherited. As you can see, inherited through the group. Now, if you noticed, so all you have to do is let's create a new user. Test user E3. Next. Let's add it later. Create. Now you'll have to refresh after creating. Let's go to this tab and see what he gets. Nothing, since nothing was assigned. Now I don't have to go to the license tab to assign him license. Unless I want a direct license, yes, then yes, I have to go and add him here. Let's find the user, test user 3. Now you see by default everything is selected. But if I had the group, I don't have to keep selecting this every time. But for now, I'm just gonna assign everything. Now let's refresh. It's gonna take some time. Yes, as you can see, direct assigned and everything, all 46 out of 46 services has been assigned. Let's remove the user from this group. Let's go to this. I'm gonna add him to this group. Let's go to groups, all groups. This group is only gonna get access to Outlook. Now he has been added. Let's go to him. Let's go to licenses. As you can see, he's inherited. Now to the group. If I click this, manage apps. As you can see, nothing selected other than Exchange Online. So if he gets added to this group, he only gets Outlook. Well, I hope you understood my explanation. Thank you for watching.